Money, a concept so simple yet so complex, has been the backbone of human civilization. It's not just about earning and spending, it's a whole lot more. But how does money work? Let's find this in this video. Stay with us to get the knowledge which help us to be informed in every stage of life. Welcome to AJ's Info, the place where you build career and reach new heights of success. Subscribe the channel. Let's achieve success together. Science of money begins with the principle of supply and demand. When you work, you supply your skills, and in return, you demand money. The more valuable your skills, the higher the demand, and hence the more money you earn. In the journey of financial success, understanding the value of your skills is paramount. Elevate your worth, increase demand, and boost your income. Money in itself doesn't increase or decrease. It merely changes hands, from those who value it less to those who value it more. Understanding your worth is only the first step to truly maximize your income. You need to continuously polish and update your skills and stay ahead of the curve. This is the basic premise of investment. By investing money, you're essentially transferring it to someone who values it more. In our mission to achieve financial prosperity, recognizing the importance of constant skill enhancement is crucial for maximizing your earning potential. At the heart of money lies the concept of interest. Interest is essentially the cost of using someone else's money. When you borrow, you pay interest. When you lend or invest, you earn interest. This is how banks operate. The magic of compound interest cannot be understated. It's the process of earning interest on interest, leading to exponential growth. It's the secret behind the wealth of the richest people in the world. Remember the quote of Albert Einstein, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world." Money also functions on the principle of risk and reward. High-risk investments often come with high returns, but also a higher chance of losing money. On the other hand, low-risk investments offer lower returns but are safer. Inflation is another crucial aspect of the money world. It's the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising. As inflation increases, the purchasing power of money decreases. Hence, just saving money is not enough. Investing is crucial. It's also important to understand the role of governments and central banks in money management. In an ever-changing economic landscape, understanding inflation and the importance of investment is key. Governments and central banks play pivotal roles in this money management arena. They control the money supply to keep the economy stable. Too much money can lead to inflation, while too little can lead to a recession. Governments and central banks skillfully balance the scales, manipulating the money supply to prevent economic turmoil and promote stability and growth. The concept of money is also evolving. We've moved from barter trade to coins, to paper money, to electronic money, and now to digital currencies like Bitcoin. These changes are driven by technology, convenience, and the need for security. The science of money isn't just about numbers and calculations. It's about understanding human behavior, economic principles, governmental policies, and the evolving nature of technology. Understanding the science behind money helps us make better financial decisions, builds wealth, and leads to financial freedom. It's not just about earning more, but making the money work for us. The key to mastering money is knowledge, and that knowledge you get on this channel. So subscribe to us and share the knowledge. So, when you spend, save, or invest your money, remember, you're not just dealing with pieces of paper or numbers on a screen. You're part of a complex, dynamic system that's been shaping human civilization for thousands of years. Hope you find value in this video. Don't forget to like and comment on which is the most influential thing affecting money. Looking for your interesting answers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.